kompleto naman na sila. Sige, go. Isuloy nila yan. Mag-impista na lang siya. Ayun na. First possession ng Jamela. Ayun na. Nakahayan ng team. Boston 10. Recovered. Tumira baseline. Pasok yan kay Boston 10 number 4. Los Santos tumira ng 3, number 24. Number 23. Baseline shot, wala. Ulit na number 89, wala pa rin. Rebound number 24. Number 24. Number 10. And number 3. And a steal by the team Boston 10. Wala, 4-meter shot in number 4. Number 24. And number 3. Wala. Goalie na number 3. Yung number 1. Penetrates. Pinasa pala yun. Same ball. Shot clock, 9 seconds. 9 seconds na lang tayo. Number 10. Who's the 3? Wala yan. And number 8, number 6. Number 27. Basket is good. Mendoza. Number 23. Number 10. Pass to number 1. Number 1 pulls the 3. Wala. Recovered number 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin ng Jamela, number 6. Jamela, number 6. At the baseline, wala. Rebound by number 23. 3 ball ito. To number 4. Before number 23, Mendoza looking for an open man. Finds number 4, easy jumps pero wala. Nakuha yan ni number Jamela, out of bounds. Same ball. Number 4 de Los Santos. To Mendoza, libre na yung kakampi, pinasa sa maling tao. And there's a traveling. Wala pa rin ng boss, 10-10. Sideline shot, wala. Tira si number Jamela, malakas ang tira. As the number 4, short ang tira number 4. Wala yan, na-rebound na. Same ball possession. Another shot, wala. Nakuha yan ni Atamos, number 27. Number 5, number 6, Hipolito. Hipolito. Number 23, Mendoza. Pass to. Out of bounds, same ball possession. 6 seconds, shot clock. Hazard na lang marinig. Penetrates. Wala yan. Nakuha ng Jamela, number 10. Easy basket, number 10.
Platon tayo, Platon.
Game minute. pumasok.
Well, pag pumasok, platon tayo.
Okay, out of bounds, platoon. Platoon substitution tayo. Platoon. And it was then number 6 to number 7. Number 7. Tumira ng 3. Short. Number 0 is steal by Hippolito. Number 6. And it creates out of bounds. Yellow's ball. Number 0 setting up. Finds the big man at the center. And number 6 out of bounds. Number 23 pulls short. Number 47. Number 6. Number 6. Wala. Number 0. Down to 4 seconds. Shot clock violation. Good yan. Sige. Pasok ng bola. Number 10. Wala pa rin yan. And a steal by Jamel Atin. The 0 penetrates. Rejected. Number 6. Pass na Mendoza. Hippolito. That is good. Score natin. 7-5 in favor of Boston. Ang Jamela number 47 to number 00. Tumira ng 3, short ang tira. Kasi number 27 setting up, out of bounds. 3 minutes remaining. Number 11. Walang tira. Number 10. Number 10, Gonzalez. Drop pass to. Pass number 27. Baseline. Number 6, Hippolito. Number 7. Pulls short. In and out ang tira. Nawala ang bola. Boston 10. Possession. Boston 10, pinasa ka Mendoza, easy jumper, malakas ang tira. Nakuha ni number 6. Number 6. Backs it in. Number 6. Wira ng 3. Si number 4. Score natin, 10-7. I see number 47. Number 47. To number 00. To number 11. And there's a foul. There's foul. Foul number 23. Mendoza. First, personal. Number 11, missing the first one. Second free throw is good. That is Hipolito. Baseline shot. That is good. 1 minute 35 in this first quarter. Number 11. Number 24 pulls the 3. Overshoots. Good on by number 11. Number 11 to number 00. Banks it in. And number 10. Number 4. Battle. Number 6, Hipolito. In and out ang perimeter jumper. And si number 11. Number 11 forcing the offense in the paint. And there is a foul by number 7. Sino foul rep? Number 6. Number 7 ang foul. Hello. First one is good. Second one, short, recovered to number 6. Number 6 to number 00, perimeter in the paint, in and out. Rebound ng Boston yan. Boston to number 4, dribbling the ball, looking for his teammates. Finds number 6, Hipolito, to number 7. Number 7 penetrates, and there is a foul. Number 00.
Si referee yung ano.
Shot clock violation. Ay. And that is good.
Ayun no, number 6.
Number 6, Hipolito.
Lo. Paul Lo.
Ayan na si number
11.
recovered by number. That is good.
Kuya, ano number 6? Number 6.
Score natin 14-13.
7 ang nakashoot. Ano last?
Number 6.
Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the second quarter.
Yellow tayo, yellow. Yellow tayo, yellow.
Yellow's ball. Sila ko na. Yung referee mag-decision. Gerwin, ayusin mo. Yes, number 27, rejected, recovered. Nakuha ulit ng Boston 10. Number 7, nawalang bola. Number 11, to number 10. Number 10. Easy basket. That is good, number 10. Change favor. Number 10 to number 23. Only 89. Pass to number 23. Opens a 3, and that is good. Boston 10. Tumiro ng 3. Sablay. Ulit niya, number 1. Pinasa ka number 11. Baseline fakes. Wala. Well defended basketball by number 23. It's number 7. Faking. Finds number To number 10, umikot, Mendo. That is good, si Idol, number 10. Gonzalez. Number 00 to number 11 in the paint, forcing the offense. Pass to his teammate to number 00. Back to number 1, pulls 2 points by number 1. Ayan na si number 10. Walang tira. Gamela pulls a 3. Air ball. Time remaining 8 minutes in the second quarter. 19-17 in favor of the pink. Boston 10. Ayan na si Gonzalez setting up to Mendoza. Looking for his teammates. Finds Mendoza again to number 7. To number 27. And nakuha yan ni number 11. Number 11 finds number 1. Easy jumper, number 1. Score natin. Deadlock sa 19. And ang number 1. Pag pumasok, time out ha. Yan si number 11. Forcing the offense. Wala. Nakuha ng Boston 10 yan. Sila. Pass to. Oh. Wala pa rin yan. Pag nakashoot sila, time out ha. Number 10. Number 10 steal. Pulls. Wala pa rin yan. Nakuha na number 11. Boston 10. Nagkanaman pasahan, finds number 1 in the paint. Wala. Recovered, number 10. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound na yan ng pink. Mendoza. Mar Mendoza. Number 7. Back to Mendoza. Pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by Jamela, number 1. And a steal. Almost a steal and out of bounds. O, ingat kayo, Idol. Oy! Huwag kayo mag-away. Huwag kayo mag-away. Pakiwalay mo na yan. Idol, Gonzalez. Pull up mo na yung isa, yung dalawa.
Warningan mo sila. Foul number 10.
Foul number 10.
Technical number 10. Technical number 00.
Technical number 10, technical number 00. Okay, meron kayong tig isang technical. Foul number 10. Labas muna kayo pareho. Pareho, labas.
Palitan.
3 minutes.
3 minutes call up kayo, Idol.
Sino yung isang na-foul? 0-0.
Mayroon ng press, wala. Number 6. Number 7 pulls 2 points. James favor. 21-19.
Ang nagdadalo sa nila papalitan. Mamaya pa papalitan.
Comes it in. Number 24.
Pagkasip yung green, latong tayo. Ay ano, yung big pala. Pagkasip, makaka pa. Mamaya pa. Pwede nyo. 20 na eh.
Wala. Banks it in. Number 27.
Lalagpas ng pagkusa.
May platon yun.
Right, pag pumasok yan, palit tayo ah.
Sa pink. Nasa dito. Hesitation. Wala. Kuha yan ng pink. Over. Short, bangs it in. Wala pa rin yan. And there's a foul. Substitution tayo, platoon. Foul number 27, Jamela. Kasi ano pala, Damos. Pasok na, pasok.
Platon tayo, Platon. Palit 5.
Platoon pa yan. Third quarter tayo. Pat third quarter, yun yung ano. And it's number 6. Umigot na tira, wala. Nakunin na yun. Number 23. To number 89. Number 89 to number 4. 4-meter shot. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 8. To number 24. Basket is good. Number 24. Ayan na. Nakunin number 27. J-Boy. To number 6. Hipolito. Spins. Scopes. Short.
Time out tayo mag-shoot ah. Time out tayo mag-shoot.
Number 11. Pass. Number 6. Pass is good. Time out. Time out. Boss Stanton.
Quarter pa lang. Quarter pa lang tayo. Tama, sa dalawang tayo. Kasi, wala lang sila time out. Third quarter na ulit. Tatlo. Ito? Ito isa. Isa pa.
Nasa third quarter na. Back to the ball game tayo.
Pink ball tayo, pink ball.
Number 27 to number 23. Setting up, number 27, binalik kay number 23. Number 6, basket is good, number 6. Three minutes and 48. To number 24, forcing the offense. Wala, nariba ni number 23, Mendoza. To Hipolito. Number 6 penetrates. Malakas ang tira. Kuha ni number 6 to number 47. Rejected.
3 minutes sakto.
3 minutes 24. Jamela inbounded the ball to number 3 to number 10. Fates. Foul number 6.
Time out tayo, rep. Time out.
Time out, Jamela.
Idol, pwede ka na pumasok.
Dalawang team foul.
Na?
Number 47 inbounded the ball to number. Pass to number 24, pulls the 3, and that is good. Mendoza to number 89 to Mendoza, that is good for 3. Jamela setting up number 47 to number 10, finds number 6 to number 24, pulls the 3, short ang tira, recovered by Hipolito number 6 to number 23. Number 23 to number 10, Gonzalez finds number, pulls, roll out, nakuha ng boss. Jamela, pinasa kay number 6, Well defended. Pass to number 4. Back to number 4. To number 23. Pulls. Short. Who on the number 6? Number 47. Number 47 to number 10. Pulls the 3. Wala yan. Rebound by number 27. Number 27 to Gonzalez. Number 10. Number 27. Easy jumper, the sideline.
Yun sa Bidal, third quarter na. Katong tayo eh. Pag third quarter. Third quarter ka na makakapasok.
And that's number 11, forcing the offense, and there's a foul by number 89. 89 yan. Yes. Number 11 makes the first one. Second one is good. 13 foul ng Boston 10. Wala pang foul sa Jamela. Number 4 setting up finds Gonzalez, number 10. Against number 47, Gonzalez. Finds number. And there's a foul committed by number 11. Number 23, first one, Sablay. Second one is good. Ayan na nakuha ng Boston 10. Number 4, De Los Santos to number. Uy! Easy lang kayo mga idol. Easy lang. Number 23, inbounding the ball. Ulitin. Pass to number 89. Easy jumper. Wala. Nakuha ng Jamela. Number 11. Number 11. Number 11 still. Nakalusot. Nakita si number 6. Basket is good. Number 6. Gonzalez forcing the offense against the two players. Wala. Nakuha ni number 6 yan. Shot clock natin, 16 seconds. Buzzer na lang ang maririnig. Number 11, burning the time. To number 6, fakes. Pulls the 3. Wala. Okay, that ends. Second quarter. Pahinga muna kayo. Water time. Idol, sino yung captain ball ng Jamela? Idol, Jamela, captain ball. Captain ball ng Jamela. Puntan muna dito, Idol. Settle niyo muna yung balance niyo bago tayo mag-start.
Meron kasi ng balance.
Oo, tapos si mami matalo.
Gcash mo na sana eh. Settle nyo na idol. Gcash mo na ngayon. Gcash mo na ngayon. Meron ako Gcash dito. Bigyan mo yung Gcash number. Ito, sulat mo na. Bigay, ipaabot mo doon. Paabot mo nga. Gcash. Ay, kakash na lang yata nila. Magkano pa balance sila? 500. 500 balance.
300 daw.
Hindi pwede kasi last game na nila.
Last
Pangatlong
game
game
daw
na.
nila to eh. Last game na nila.
200. I-Gcash niya lang yung 200. Pumasok?
Kasi number 10. Basket is good by number 23.
3 points. 2 points.
Score natin 33-32. Dikit lang. Number 11. Pass to number 10. Number 10, floater. Basket yan. Number 7, pulls. Sablay, going to number 3. To number 11. Number 11, laking mama. Pinasa kay number 24. That is good.
Pag-uwi naman, tapos na to.
And si Gonzalez. Gonzalez setting up. Number 7, pulls. That is good for 2.
Sarado na doon.
Number 10, close, short. Rebound by Gonzalez, number 10. Gonzalez, number 6, Hipolito penetrates. Put back, number 27, and a steal by number 10. Number 10 to number 11. Number 11, forcing the offense, finds number 24, perimeter, in and out. One in number 10. Number 7, Libres, number 27. Basket is good. And one, basketball.
Sub down ng
Substitution, pasok na.
Paano to?
300.
Bilangin mo.
300 na.
Wala pa sila plano.
Number 27, bonus is good. Score natin 38-36. Lamang pa rin ang Jamela. Lamang ang Pink. Number 3, first, short. Rebound by number 27. Number 27 to number 10, Gonzalez. Gonzalez forcing the offense. Finds number 6, Hipolito. Sable possession. Mendoza, 3. Pag may basket na. Number 24 fades. In the paint. One go. Rebound by number 27 to number 10. Gonzalez penetrates. Basket is good. Timeout. Our score 44-36 in favor of the Pink.
Back to the ball game.
Isturbo dyan.
Right back to the ball game. Jamela's ball. Inbounded the ball. Number 6 to number 1. Number 1, Cruz. Looking for number 9. Finds number 24. Pulls the 3. Bam! Steal again by Jamela. Jamela to number 6. Number 11 to number 24. Fakes. Out of bounds.
Yan ako maglaro ko muna.
Number 7 inbound to the ball. Dribbling the ball to number 4. Pass to number 4. Pulls the 3. Short. Number 24. Back to number 1. Number 1 in the paint. Pass to number 0-0. Basket is good. Score natin 44-41. The yellow team are down by 3. Yan, baba sa tatlong kalamangan. Tumira si number 7. Basket is good for 2 points. Pass to number 11. Number 11 finds number 6. To number 1. Fakes the 3. Forcing the offense. 1 goal. Rebound by number 6. Hipolito. Number is a foul. Here's foul rep.
Naka-pink sila oh. Ano team mo?
Technical foul. Number 1 for unsportsmanlike behavior. There's the number 7 setting up the play. Number 7 finds number 4. Number 8 and 9 baseline. Well up. Rebound by number 4. But there's a foul committed by number 6. Basket is good, number 4. Second one is good. 48-41. Number 6 penetrates. Losing the ball. Pinasa kay number. Out of bounds. Bola ng Jamela. And Jamela setting up, finds number 24 to number 0-0. Yes, air ball. Hipolito. Low pass to the wrong man. Nakuha ng Jamela number 1. Number 1 finds number 11. Number 11. Number 11 forcing the offense against number 89. Finds number 0-0 in the paint. That is a 3 seconds violation.
Ibigay na idol yung bola mamaya.
Pumasok idol, timeout ha. Basket timeout tayo. Here's number 7. Hesitation. Basket is good. Pat! Ang score natin 50-41. The yellow team are down by 9.
Wala pa si ano. Ang timer mo nag-CR.
Ay, nag-CR muna yung timer natin. Inom muna kay tubig. Tingnan mo na kayo naman. Ay, ano, Idol, yung captain goal ni Mga Idol. Captain goal. Idol. Captain goal mo, ano? Oo, kulang pa sila 200. Tawag pa sila naman.
200. Yung ano yung Idol, i-Gcash mo? Mamaya? Sige. Okay, i-PM mo ako ha. Nando ka ba sa GC? Ikaw yung captain. Sige, Idol. Sige.
Hoy! Nagalulo na ang ating timer. Timer natin nagalulo.
Naka-video.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Ang score natin 50-41 in favor of the Pink Elephant. Yeah, that's number 11, the big man. That's number 10. Hesitates. Setting up. Number 24, fades. Out of bounds.
Try mo nga ito, Vic.
Number 4. Inbounded the ball to number 6. Number 4, De Los Santos. Finds number 7. Yes, Hipolito, wala yan. Same ball possession. Para si De Los Santos, number 7, De Los Santos. Malakas. Overshoots. Two minutes 42 in this third. Number 11. Number 11. Tumira ng press. Short ang tira. Di number 10. Out of bounds. Substitution, Idol. Sub. Pasok. Sub. Pasok. Okay, good. And number 27 in. Number 4. Setting up the play. To Mendoza. Calls the 3. Short ang tira. Recovered by number 6, Hipolito. To number 7. Overshoots. Out of bounds.
7 shot clock, 7.
7 seconds shot clock. Number 4 fakes. Pulls. Backs it in. 3. As number 24, 53-41 ating score. Bumanat ng press. Rebound na number 3. Puts it in. Number 3. And it's number 27. Class number 4. Back to number 27. To number 4. Behind the back pass number 23. Shot clock down to 9. Number 7 pulls the 3. Overshoots, rebound by number 6, out of bounds. Bola ng Jamela. And ang Jamela, and a steal by number 27. Number 27, that was number 6. Number 27, easy basket, beautiful isolation by number 6. Number 10 to number 11. Number 11 forcing the offense, looking for his teammates. And that is a foul committed by number 6, Hipolito. Substitution. Hipolito, second personal foul, number 6. Number 11 in the line for his bonus. Score is 55-43. Time remaining in his third, 51 seconds. Sablay ang dalawang tira. Number 7 to number 4. to number 27 to number 23. Wala. Balik kay number 23. And to shoot. 6 to shoot. Number 4. Pulls the 3. Short. Ang tira. Malakas. Ang tira. Yan si number 24. Number 24. Pulls the 3. Malakas ang tira. Rebound ni Gonzalez. Number 10. Number 10 to number 7. Perimeter shot. That's it in. Number 7. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Ayan. Diyan na lang tatapos ang third quarter. We are now in the final quarter of this tournament. Elimination games between Boston and Jamela. All right, back to the ball game. Last quarter. Ang ating score is 57-43. Number 23 inbounded the ball, looking for his teammates. Finds number 6. Number 6. Number 6 nakawala. Basket is good. And it's number 1. Holding number 1 to number 47. Short ang tira. Out of bounds. Boston 10. Number 6. Number 6 still setting up number 10. Gonzalez. Number 7. And the shoot. 7. Force a 3. Number 7 forcing the 3 and it's good. And it's a hesitation. That is good. Number 1. Number 89 to number 10. 8 seconds. Shot clock. 4. Pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by number 47. The number 0-0. To number 6. Short pa rin ang tira. Nakuha yan. And number 7. Number 7 to number 6. To number 10. Number 10 penetrates. Short ang tira. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Boston 10, floater shot ni Gonzalez. Wala. Rebound ni number 0-0. Number 3 to number 0-0. To number 1, pulls the 3. Backs it in.
Pag makashoot ang
Dilaw. That is number 6. Basket is good. Number 6. Basket timeout tayo. Basket timeout. That is number 1. Pulls. 3. Timeout! Timeout tayo.
Anong number mo, Idol?
Ano na?
Number 1.
Ang score natin 64-51 in favor of Boston 10. Alright, back to the ball game. We only have 7 minutes and 31 seconds in this fourth quarter between Boston 10 and Jamela from the adult division. Ayan na si number 27 to number 4, De Los Santos. Number 27 to number 6. And to shoot. Nakawala si number 6. Number 27, wala. Nakuha ni number 24. Number 24 flies. Malakas ang tira. Rebound by number 7. Long pass to Mendoza. Open 3.
10-30.
3. Ang ating score is 67-51 in favor of the pink. And is number 6. Number 6 to number 3. Nakawala. Short. Rebound by number 27. To number 7. Number 7. Number 7 to number 4. Back to number 7. To number 4. And a steal. Number 24. Open 3. Wala, hindi pumasok. Ayan ang number 27. Si Roman, number 24. Number 24. Drop pass, number 6. Easy basket, number 6. And number 4. Number 4 steal. Side step. Malakas ang tira. Nakuha ni number 6. Number 6 penetrates. Out of bounds. Passing to the wrong man.
Tama kayo, basket. Basket time.
Basket timeout. Ha? Basket timeout tayo rin. Isa pa lang. Basket timeout at 3. Timeout, Jamela. May dalawa pa.
Hindi na. Kailangan mabilis.
Meron pa kayong tig dalawang timeout ah. Idol, dalawa pa timeout nyo. Dalawang timeout. Dalawang timeout. Both teams meron pa kayong tig dalawang timeout. Okay? Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 32 remaining. Ayan na si number 11. Number 11 setting up, finds number and pulls a 3 short air ball. Pasok, substitution. Sige, pasok na. Long pass to number 89. Number 23 pulls a 3 short ang tira. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 00 in the paint for the crease. Nawala. A steal by Polito, number 6 to number 4. And a steal by Jamela, number 00. Number 10 pulls a 3 short. 4 minutes na lang tayo.
Oo, sinira ng mga bata.
Hoy mga bata, huwag niyo sirahan yung upuan dyan. Number 39. Ibalik niyo yan. Itayo niyo yung mga upuan. Itayo niyo mga yan. Itayo niyo. And there's a foul. Who's foul? Number 27 is foul.
Wait lang.
Number 1. Nakuha ng Boston ganyan. Boston 10, number 4.
Tayo niyo yun, Ton.
Tulungan niyo yan.
Tayo niyo
Kayo
yun.
naglaro na. Hoy, balik kayo doon. Tulungan
Balik
niyo
niyo
yan.
yun.
Naka-video kayo mga bata ha. Naka-video kayo. Nakita kayo sa video. Bunagsak niyo yan. Yan o, na si Lolo. Galit sa inyo ha. Meron si number 11. Number 11. Basket. Out of bounds. Substitution. Ayun. Pasok na. Pasok. Pasok out, labasin. Ayan na, si number 27. Number 27. Binababa ang bola ang number 4. Time remaining 3 minutes and 54. Number 4. Pulls, and it's good. Ang score natin 74-53. Camela hesitates. Number 1. Pulls a 3. Short. For only number 23. Number 23 to number 6. Number 6. Number 89. Pinasa sa kalaban. Only number 24 yan. Number 24. Forcing the offense. Wala. Back to number 3. Wala pa rin yan. Nakuha pa rin ng Jamela. Wala pa rin. And there's a traveling violation. Ang score natin 74-53. 3 minutes remaining. Number 89, 4-meter jumper. Wala. Rebound ni number 23. Number 23, easy. Pass to number 89. Two minutes and 40. 76-53 ang ating score. Nakawala sa number 3. That is good. Kasi number 89. Number 89 looking for his teammates. Finds number 4. Pass to number 23. Mendoza. Side step. Back step. Wala. Number 10, pass to number 3, overshoots. Meron ba kayong tingin dalawang timeout? Tumira ng 3, wala. 1 minute 53, number 24, pulls 3. Ayan na si number 4. To number 6. Number 6 to number 4. Number 27 finds number 89. Banks rin. Number 89. Yan si number 24. Pulls a 3. 3. And number 13. 1 minute and 19. Number 23 pulls a 3 again. Overshoots. Rebound by Boston 10, number 10. Jamela, number 10. 3, number 10. Score natin, 78-64. 1 minute remaining. And there's a foul. Meron pa kayong timeout. Kung gusto nyo ng timeout, wala namang timeout. Yes, number 27. Easy basket na naman. Basket is good. Number 89. 80-64. Number 11, pulls the 3. Malakas ang tira. Kuha ni number 27 yan. Number 27, naghanap na nabasahan to number 23. Number 23, pinasa. Sakto. Weke, tumira. Short. Basket is good to number 6. Alright, nag-concede na Jamela 82-64.